Hello everyone. In this presentation, we shall be discussing the role of taxation or taxes in the economy according to modern monetary theory. So what exactly is the role of taxes or taxation in the economy? Why does the government collect these taxes? We will explain this according to modern monetary theory or MMT. Now, why do the government collect the taxes? What's the real role of these taxes in the economy, according to modern monetary theory? Because, according to this theory, the government has monopoly over money in the economy. Money is not really a store of value for the government, unlike for us. And so taxes, according to modern monetary theory, is not really a tool for revenue collection. For more details on modern monetary theory, to appreciate this presentation better, kindly check the link on MMT given in the description. So what exactly now is the role of taxes in the economy? And why do we collect this? Why does the government collect the taxes? Why taxes? First point, it maintains the authority of the government over money supply. So here is what it means. The government has a monopoly over money in the economy. And to maintain that, the government spends money in the economy. The money that is created literally out of thin air. Now, why would the people collect that money that has been printed out of thin air in the economy? Well, the people do collect that because they have to pay taxes to the government. The government takes taxes, and that is a source of monopoly of government over the money supply because it has to collect these taxes. Second point, the taxes controls the demand and hence inflation, which is very important for the current monetary setup according to modern monetary theory to succeed. Here's how. Let's say the demand for products is rising in the economy. Now, the supply of products is actually pretty low in the economy, however. This gives rise to inflation. Hence, the government comes in and raises the taxes. This leads to lowering of money supply in the economy and thus reduction in demand, which leads to reduction in inflation of the economy. For the negative sides of inflation, you can check the detailed presentation on inflation. The link would again be given in the description. Third point, removing taxes completely would be politically imprudent. Let's say the government reduces the taxes to zero. Of course, the people would be elated, happy. Now, inflation starts to shoot up in the economy, and the government has to raise taxes to control it. Now that would make the people furious. And then what about the votes for the government? It will be a tough decision to make, and invariably the government will mess it up. Fourth point, it's a tool for wealth transfer. So, due to taxes, the government takes money from person A and gives it to person B for its welfare programs. So it's a tool for wealth transfer in the economy. And finally, taxes can control production choices in the economy. So here is how it works. Let's say there's a factory producing goods A in the economy. The government in its wisdom feels that these goods should be produced less in the economy, and so it raises taxes on these goods in the economy. the price rises, the demand for these goods A reduces, and the production also comes down in the economy. Similarly, let's say there's a factory producing goods B in the economy. Again, the government in its wisdom feels that these goods should be produced more in the economy. And so the government reduces the taxes on these goods B. This means the price reduces, demand rises, and hence the production of goods B rise in the economy. Thus, using taxes, the government can control the matrix, the production matrix in the economy. In conclusion, taxes are not a tool to collect revenue, but for the purposes of, as we discussed, maintaining the monopoly over money, controlling demand, and hence inflation. Because it's politically imprudent, taxes are a tool for wealth transfer and a tool to control the production choices in the economy. That's why the government collects taxes in the economy, and that's the real role of taxes in the economy, not a source of revenue for the government according to modern monetary theory or MMT. So thank you very much for watching this presentation. Do subscribe if you like this content and comment in case of any questions that you may have. Thank you.